Participial adjectives are special adjectives that come from verbs. They are formed from the past participle of verbs and often end in ed. Examples of these adjectives include bored, interested, and excited. These adjectives describe how someone feels. Common participial adjectives ending in ed include bored, interested, and excited. They describe feelings or emotions experienced by people. These adjectives are formed by adding ed to the base form of many verbs. Other examples of ed participial adjectives are tired, scared, and confused. These words also describe different emotions or states that a person may experience. Using these adjectives helps express how someone feels in various situations. ED participial adjectives are used to describe how a person feels. They often come after verbs like be, feel, seem, or look. For example, saying I was bored means that you felt boredom yourself. In sentences, the difference between ing and ed adjectives is important. For example, the movie was boring describes the movie as causing boredom, while I was bored means you felt bored by the movie. Similarly, the lesson was interesting means the lesson caused interest, but she was interested means she felt interest. Here are additional examples. The book was exciting shows that the book caused excitement. We were excited means we felt excitement. Another example is the noise was annoying, meaning the noise caused annoyance, whereas I was annoyed means you felt annoyed by the noise. Participial adjectives ending in ed describe feelings experienced by people. They typically follow verbs like be, feel, seem, or look. For example, she is bored with the lecture means she feels bored. They help describe reactions or emotions clearly. To remember, participial adjectives ending in ed describe how people feel, answering the question, how do you feel? They are commonly used with verbs such as be, feel, seem, or look. The person experiencing the feeling receives the ed form, like bored or excited. In contrast, things or causes of the feeling use the ing form, like boring or exciting.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.